The National Railroad Service in Massachusetts has issued that trains from the following companies: Amtrak, BSNF, Penn Central, Bluebell, CSX, and others have been suspected to come off of rails and destroy through many people's homes for Chelmsford, New Hampshire, and Boston until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m. the National Railroad Service plans on destroying the trains and indicates a severe ballistic missile capable of producing a 12-mile radius, 5 miles northwest at Connecticut. The U.S. military showed these following trains moving east at 600 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Cape Cod, Nantucket, Boston, Massachusetts, Chelmsford, Salem, Martha's Vineyard, and Provincetown. In addition to the ballistic missile, this explosive is capable of producing serious radiation and heat and destructive straight-line winds. The safest places to be during a missile is in a basement. Get under a workbench or piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in the lowest floor of a sturdy building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate them and seek substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other rough spot and cover your head with your hands. A missile watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening at Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Boston in Massachusetts.